2007 Chevrolet Victory Red. She's the Z71. It's ready for all the off-roading experience. Axle. Where'd the axle go? Right there. We have an axle, CV, ready to go in. What's interesting with this is it makes more noise going straight than it does turning, which is kind of fun. So she's got the 5.3, she's got all the HPs, it's got thunder, it's got everything. It's got HPs and the DOD, which is still working good on this one. So there we go.
Yep, on that.
So these are pretty simple-ish. You typically can do a couple things to do what you got to do and get that out, and we'll take you along the way with us. Step one, you got to get to that center axle nut. And if you don't have impact, you want to do that when it's still on the ground, because you can't get that spun off otherwise. So you just got to get the little cap separated from the hub, and you go from there. And just like that, little cap finally comes off. So there's the big nut. Is it like a 35 or something like that? Oh, you hear that thump thump? So that should be pretty quiet. And it's got some noise to it.
It also sounds like a bearing too, kind of.
Well, first things first. So, 35 mil.
That is warm.
And make sure the axle moves a little bit once you get the washer out. Does the axle push in? There. As long as that moves in and out, then that makes your day way easier. Sometimes those splines will seize inside the hub, and then at that time, your torch is your best friend.